Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Last Street Opening with Anushri and Mr. Gowda, our expert analyst. We will talk today about today's market with Sir. Welcome, Sir.
Thank you, Anushi. Very good morning.
Good morning.
So, Nifty, SGX Nifty is indicating a mild, something like 0.5 to 0.1% negative.
Okay.
So, which means we may open at around 16,125 to 150 somewhere. So,
Okay.
that is as of now at 817.
Mhm.
So, yeah, hopefully some sort of correction we may expect. I mean, it's not a sort of correction,
Mm.
maybe a slight profit booking from the recent highs.
Okay.
If you see Nifty
Mm.
in the last week, it has run up by around 750 points, which is almost 5%.
Okay.
So when 5% going up in a week and 0.4% if you're opening down today, that should not be an issue.
Okay.
So there are so many important global events this week. The inflation, CPI inflation is being, uh, you know, they will publish the CPI inflation in this week,
Okay.
and US some major events are there. But directly or indirectly, now we are in a phase where we have recovered about 7 to 8% from the recent lows.
Okay.
So what will happen is both the positive news and negative news will not have that impact. Why? Because the positive news might have already factored in from the figures expected or estimated figures from the research analysts,
Okay.
and the negative news, like we have already gone through a roller coaster ride from this Nifty movements in the last 1 month, we can say.
Mm-hmm.
That way, even if you see the markets, it's not reacting to any sort of negative news as well.
Okay.
Mm. So, because it's already factored, that is why the markets are very sensitive to such events.
Yeah.
Uh, so, and yeah, crude oil is very stable, between 100 to $105.
Mm-hmm.
So, it would also be not a concern for us. But see, for us investors is concerned, we have to be very keen on watching this private sector banks.
Okay.
So one can always, go and buy SBI and ICICI Bank in the market.
Mm-hmm.
So there has been 0.9% of repo rate increase by RBI.
Okay.
So there exists, as you know, deposits did not increase, deposit rates did not increase by that extent.
Mm.
However, the loan rates have already increased.
Okay.
So since there is not that great stress on all the loans and the lending,
Mm.
so I think this will have a very positive impact on the banking stock.
Okay.
Even if you see Bank Nifty has outperformed
Yes. Yes.
because Nifty is 16,200 now and Bank Nifty is close to 34,000, 35,000.
Mm.
So from here, if you take Nifty high, so
Mm.
for Nifty, another 2,000 points is left. The same way, if you consider Bank Nifty, if both move in hand,
Mm.
then Bank Nifty will again outperform. It will before Nifty break its all-time high, Bank Nifty will break its all-time high.
Okay.
So that is for sure, which is very much evident.
Okay.
Uh, in the recent rally also, I think Bank Nifty has outperformed, and the stocks from banking stocks have supported Nifty to a certain extent.
Mm.
So commodities, as I said, I think crude oil, even copper is coming down. That should not be an issue. Only commodity-related stocks like the steel industry in India are, facing a little problem.
Okay.
They are all down from 52-week high for about 40-45%. Some stocks around 30%.
Hmm.
So that is
And
and
gold.
yeah. Tell me.
And what about gold?
Gold will be in a very long consolidation range.
Yeah.
So we have been seeing gold, trading between 50,500 to 52,000.
Okay.
So it's a tight range of 1,200 points. You
Okay.
can say 5400 to 52,000. Yeah, 1,600 points range is almost it is trading in the same range from past 1.5 months.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there is unlikely that it will go below 50,400 in India, especially.
Yeah.
Uh, but yeah, it may break out the upper range, 52,000. But
Okay.
that is also unlikely for this week at least.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what it is. When international gold is $1,740 per ounce. So 1 ounce is considered as 31.1 grams.
Okay.
So $1,740 is like at the bottom of the current trend.
Mm.
So it was about 1880 or 1890 2 months ago.
Mm.
Now it is down almost 10% from the recent highs, gold,
Okay.
in terms of dollar. So, but we are not at the bottom. Only reason being in India, they have increased the import duty from 7.5 to 12.5%.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, that is how that is.
Mm.
So yeah, fine. Let us see. I mean, gold in consolidation range, Nifty is in consolidation, global markets as well,
Yeah.
the consolidation range. So and
What
the results, yeah, tell me.
what is the Nifty today support and resistance we can expect?
S- Nifty, I think 16,000 will be a strong support for this week,
Okay.
and because 16,200 would have broken at the start itself, as
Mm.
it is as of this moment.
Okay.
So 16,000 will be a strong support, and the resistance is 16,500.
Okay.
So this week,
Mm.
and support if 16,000 breaks, then again 15,700 will hold good.
Okay.
And upper side, if 16,500 is broken, I think market will shoot up.
Okay.
So there are very less probability that it will breach 16,500. But
Mm-hmm.
if it touches, I think it will be very with a very strong volume. It will cross 16,500 and it may go up to 17,000 in no time.
Okay.
But one can always go and sell put options for the week at the opening itself,
Mm.
because 16,000 will act as a very strong support.
Okay.
And so any recovery in the market, one can sell calls. One can sell 16,500 calls.
Okay.
So that is yeah. As far as monthly is also concerned, monthly also this holds good.
Mm.
16,000 and 16,500, because we are just 2-3 weeks away from the monthly expiry.
Okay.
So that is there. And yeah, and apart from that, this week mostly it will be stock specific because results have already started.
Uh,
TCS with a very mild result, like an increase in net profit by about 5%.
mm.
So that way, the week is full of stock specific,
Okay.
and for sure Nifty will be in a consolidation range. There will be no big movements in Nifty.
Okay.
So avoid buying options this week
Mm.
unless the volatility index crosses about 21 or 22.
Okay.
Okay, so now, yeah, this should be the strategy. And
Okay.
stock specific also, always just see the poll, the expected results for stocks
Mm.
and the actual results.
Mm.
So wherever the company is giving good results, avoid buying those stocks because it's already factored in.
Okay.
So yeah, maybe if company has especially those companies where the crude oil had have a significant impact on their profit and loss, one can go and buy this type of stocks.
Okay.
Mostly it will be logistics stocks and FMCG stocks.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the companies where they have faced $120 of crude for 80% of the days in this April to June quarter.
Mm.
So since the crude is cooling off, going forward, these companies will get benefited out of lower crude prices.
Okay.
So crude is likely to fall below $100.
Okay.
So yeah, it has to come below 100, and it will further it may correct or it will remain within $100.
Okay.
So this is the strategy for the week. For the week, yeah, in the lower range, sell 16,000 put option. The upper range, they sell 16,500 call option.
Okay.
But yeah, any investors or viewers of our channel, if you are struck with some position, you can comment in the below section. You can just comment whatever your queries are. So we'll come up with a strategy or some adjustments what needs to be made.
Yeah. For any guidance, they can just comment and we'll reach out to them.
Yeah, sure. That is okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Anushi. Yeah.